My name's Greg Pumpkinhead Lamb. Welcome to Barlow Work Trucks. Got to be a little extra loud because we're right near the main highway here. But I wanted to talk to you about a truck we just got in. A brand new 2023 Chevy W4500 gas powered, 14.5 GVW, 6.6 V8 gas engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, 3-man cab. Same truck as the Isuzu NPR HD, no difference, just a badge. Badge in the front, badge on the steering wheel. That's it, okay? You got the cab over the wheels. That's what gives you that great turning radius. But not only great turning radius, the driver, if you take a look, is going to have great visibility. So when you're in those residential and city areas, you got people walking around, you got dogs, you got all kinds of stuff going on. That driver is going to have absolutely the best visibility you can in a truck. And that's why people buy these, the longevity, the efficiency, the turning radius, and the visibility. Power windows, door locks, Bluetooth, air conditioning, 3-man cab. You got plenty of storage over top of the driver and the passenger. You got Bluetooth, you got tilt telescopic wheel. And guys often sometimes tell me, oh, you know, Greg, I can't buy a cab over because my guys are big, they can't fit in one of those. I'm 6'3", 250 on a good day. And look at me, right in. Plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room, right? Storage. Very comfortable, very easy to drive. The turning radius, visibility, outstanding. We equipped this. This is 14.5 GVW non-CDL, 20-foot US truck body. Come here real quick. Cast iron corner caps. Most bodies in the marketplace have plastic ones. They constantly leak. It costs like $300 or $400 to fix them. That's a freaking tank, all right? That's not going to leak. 96 wide, 96 high, aluminum sheet and post US truck body. Galvanneal drop step bumper, anti-skid. Take a look at that. Stainless steel rear frame is standard, okay? Standard. Many body companies, it's an option and it's an expensive one. Standard here with the US truck body. LED lights, standard. This one we equipped with a walk ramp. Guys doing route delivery coming in and out. We got 1, 2, 3 LED dome lights, 2 rows of E-track, and a hardwood floor. Great truck for route delivery. This truck is being offered at a great price. Give us a call today. This truck doesn't work for you. You need a 16, a 14, an 18-footer. We have over 100 trucks in stock. So we have 18-footers, we have 16-footers, we have 14-footers, you name it. We have it. Your one-stop shop for all your light and medium-duty commercial needs. Go to barlowworktrucks.com or call us 856-461-8400. We have 3 guys dedicated to the commercial market. Myself, Steve Stu Pontrello, Chuck Elskip, over 100 years of experience, over 50 years in business, and family owned and operated. So give us a call today or visit us at barlowworktrucks.com. My name's Greg Pumpkinhead Lamb. I want to thank you for watching today.